Welcome to the Business Standard Show.
Thank you very much.
I'll get on with asking you that Ceat became the first tire maker to win the Deming Grand Prize this year. Why do you think the other tire makers have not been able to win it so far? Are there any specific challenges?
Different companies and brands, they follow different quality standards.
Hmm.
We thought that this is the most appropriate quality standard for a company like us. And therefore, we have invested time since 2009. It's not a here and now journey. It's not an accreditation. It's not a certificate. It's it's a recognition of the way Ceat works, right? So it's just that what people decide to be their journey and what kind of milestones they choose to achieve. So for us, this works, and this is what we have chased. 2017, we got Deming, and so after 6 more years, we are getting Deming Grand. It's been a tough journey, to align so many people in one direction, and we continuously get newer and newer employees also who come from different backgrounds. So it works for us. Many people think it's a manufacturing award. It's not. It's a philosophy which I explained. And Ceat is unique in the sense the entire company has got a Deming Grand Prize. You will find XYZ company doing one plant which is Deming Award. The rest of the plants are not Deming awardee. The marketing function is not. The procurement function is not. But in our case, top leadership down to the last man standing, all functions, everything as a whole is not only a Deming awardee, but a Deming Grand awardee. So I think that's the differentiator with many other companies who are also Deming awardee.
As the Deming Prize winner in 2017, what were the changes in processes and what kind of upgrades you had to make to sustain the total quality management and win the Deming Grand eventually in 2023?
Digital interventions were very low level in 2017, and we were just getting started out. Now, Halol factory and Chennai factory and Nagpur factory are Industry 4.0 enabled. Halol has got the Lighthouse certification also from World Economic Forum. In the sales side, there had been huge amount of digital interventions vis-a-vis channel, vis-a-vis customers, and in some areas we are just starting off. There have been robotic process automation to remove non-value-added work inside the organization. So that's one area, and the data infrastructure and the connectivity of Ceat with its vendors on one side and with its customers and channel on the other side was very rudimentary in 2017. It has improved, and all this is leading to real-time inputs which we need to act on and improve upon. So our speed has increased, our quality consciousness has increased. People in the organization are much more clear about what they need to do, and the effect of hierarchy and bureaucracy, because when an organization becomes bigger, that usually happens. That has been negated to some extent.
What kind of role do vendors play in ensuring TQM, and what kind of programs you may have undertaken to ensure quality assurance of raw materials and your supply chain?
Some of them are well integrated into our development plan, and essentially we also tap into vendors to co-develop many solutions. So previously, long back, it used to be like you quote and I take the lowest quotation and give you the order. That was the end of it, and collections, etc. Now it's much more a partnership thing. If I have a customer problem, I sometimes take it right through my system into the vendor, and they have a lot of experience from their field of work, and we co-develop many things to solve customer problem or improve efficiency in our processes. We don't do it with all vendors, and as we progress in the future, so there's a long way to go in involving many more vendors, and similarly with dealers, customers, etc.
How critical is it for a tire maker to ensure TQM according to you?
I will answer your question at two levels. Level one, total quality management does not just mean quality. It is what we call QCDSM. Q is for quality, S is for safety, which you mentioned, D is for delivery, on-time delivery of products, and C is for cost, right? And M is for employee morale. So you see, it is a 360-degree concept, right? And the basic concept of TQM is you cannot improve quality unless all these things improve simultaneously. So quality, delivery, morale of the team, safety of your products, safety inside the company, and everything has to improve together in unison. If you try to reduce the cost of production or cost of raw material, nothing will happen unless quality also improves, safety improves, like that. Secondly, I will answer your question directly. If you drive without outside the specs at a very high speed on the highways, you see so many accidents happening. If you drive in the wrong manner, if your tire pressure is incorrect, if you are using a wrong tire for the wrong application, it can be fatal for a car driver, and it can lead to a lot of failures of tire for a truck driver, leading to loss, a huge loss of income. So safety is critical, quality is critical, cost is critical, employee morale is critical. So everything improves together if we follow TQ.
Having won this award, does it help you to showcase yourself in a different light in the global community, in the global market? Basically, do you see this improving your global standing and your exports as such?
Ambarnath, Nagpur, Halol, Chennai. All these 4 plants are British safety rated 5-star. Okay, so we are as good or better than many OEMs. We do communicate such things to our OEM partners and to public at large, and it does add to the brand in terms of the premiumness, in terms of the imagery, in terms of the culture of the people. I mean, we are listeners. We don't have arrogance of saying that we know everything that you want and we are the best. That's not the meaning of TQM. TQM means tell me what I need to improve, and I'll do it the fastest. So that means a certain degree of humility and listening skills also as part of the brand. So we communicate all that and we practice all that. So when people experience us, our customers, our vendors, even you, if you experience us over a period of time, we are that kind of a brand to all stakeholders, and we do communicate and we practice that.
Thank you for joining us. Thanks for your time. Look forward to meeting you soon.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She has ambitions of becoming a brand. Business Standard.